Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new class, and in this class we'll study a concept which is called as time frame analysis. Now what is the time frame? There are different kinds of time frame in a particular stock market, so you need to understand each and every time frame and how to use this time frame, right? So firstly, we'll go step by step. Firstly, we need to see 1 day time frame. We'll go to the live market and we'll do a proper top-down analysis, how to analyze a stock, how to see whether what are the resistance and what are the support and how to track the trade. Everything will be discussed in this particular class. So first thing, theoretically you understand 1 day time frame is basically to understand what is the current market scenario, right? What is the current market scenario, right? To understand the market scenario, whether market is now bullish, whether market is now bearish, or whether market is in a sideways trend, whatever it is, to understand the overall market scenario, this 1 day time frame is used. Number one. Number two is 1 day time frame is basically used for investment purpose. For investment purpose, right? Sorry, 1 second. For investment purpose, right? So this is the 1 day time frame. Now after 1 day time frame, we'll come to 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is basically to understand the chart pattern and detail scenario, market in detail scenario. 1 day time frame is to understand overall market scenario, and 1 hour time frame is to understand the correct and the very detailed scenario of the market and to understand if there is any kind of chart patterns or not, right? The third thing is 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame is purely used to plan the intraday trade, right? To intraday trade, you have to plan your trade, and 15-minute is the basic time frame where you have to plan your trade. For 15-minute, you have to understand the support and resistance. The support and resistance is to be drawn in 15-minute time frame only. You can use the 1 hour time frame, but for very specific, very minute support and resistance, you have to use the 15-minute time frame. And 5-minute time frame is to execute intraday. Execute intraday trade, right? So 1 day time frame and 1 day time frame is basically for investment, right? 1 hour time frame is basically for swing trade, and 15-minute and 5-minute time frame is for intraday, right? So 1 day time frame is for investment purpose, 1 hour swing trade. Sometimes for more information you can use the 1 hour time frame for investment purpose also, but 15-minute time frame and 5-minute time frame both are used only for intraday, nothing else. Clear? Now we'll go to the live market and we'll analyze a particular stock. We'll do the top-down analysis, something called as top-down analysis. What is top-down analysis? Top-down analysis is in a particular stock. First you need to see the 1 day time frame to understand the market scenario. Then you need to see the 1 hour time frame to understand the particular stock scenario. What is the current condition of the stock? To understand that, you have to understand the 1 hour time frame. For support and resistance, we'll use the 15-minute, and to execute, we'll use the 5-minute. Now, let's go to the live market. So this is a stock called as Asian Paints, right? First, we'll study 1 day time frame. So what you will do, first press 1 and D. Just enter, 1 day time frame is opened. To adjust this chart, press Alt and R. So this is the 1 day time frame. Now what is the current condition? Now market was in a bull run. If you see here, market was in a bull run. After a proper bull run, there was a flag and pole. Market broke the flag and pole, and then market was in downward. Now the current condition is market is trying to go upward. So market is trying to go upward. So it's a correct time for investment. Obviously, if it's a good stock, for example Asian Paints, more or less financially it's strong enough, okay, so it's a good time for investment. Honestly, it's a good time for investment. So the current scenario of the stock is in 1 day time frame, now it is trying to go bullish. Now it's trying to go upward after a proper consolidation, right? So this is, we have understood that Asian Paints was in a bear run. Now after a proper consolidation, now it is trying to go bullish. So this is the right time to invest in Asian Paints, because at the same time Asian Paints, the financials of the Asian Paints is not that good, is not that bad, so a minimum amount we can invest, right? So this is the 1 day analysis. Now let's go to the 1 hour. One second, let me clear the chart first. So we'll go to 1 hour. If you see in 1 hour, you will see the mostly the same thing, that this was a particular resistance point. This was a particular resistance point, and this was the support point, more or less. This was a support point, not very perfect, but more or less this is a support and this was the resistance, right? After breaking this resistance, market went up, right? So we'll wait for a retest, then we can enter whatsoever. So in 1 hour time frame, what we are seeing, that market was in a particular range, the support was this and the resistance was this. Now it is trying to go upward, right? Let's go to 15 minutes. Now we are planning for, okay, for 1 hour time frame, is it a good option for swing trade? I will say no, because we'll wait for a retest. Probably market will come for a retest, and after a retest, if market, let's say market is coming like this and market is moving from here, the moment market is taking a particular support, then we can enter for a swing trade, right? Now it's a very naked situation. It's a clear naked situation. So will not get into a trade for mainly swing trade. Will not. It's not a correct situation. So let the stock take a swing. Let the stock take a proper retest. Then we can go for again a long trade. Let's come to the 15-minute time frame. If you see, one second, let me clear the. So 15-minute time frame. Now we are seeing it very clearly. So this was the current resistance, and this is a current support. Sorry, this was a resistance and this was a resistance. When the market was here, this was a resistance, right? And now the next support is this. The second support will be somewhere near about here. So the intraday planning we can make like this. This is the resistance level. Now the planning will be that if market is opened, like market is opening here and market breaks particular this level, then we can add a 25% of our entire trading amount. If market breaks this, then we can add up like more 25%. But if the market breaks this final support, which is 3075, we can go like very aggressively, not a problem, because the next support will be here. So we can get a good target like this. This is how you have to plan your trade, that if market is breaking this particular price level, we'll use 25% of our trading amount. If market is breaking this price level, we'll use more 25%. If market is breaking this price level, again 25%, and we can go aggressively because we can get a very good target, right? And for short trade, when the market is breaking this particular resistance level, we can use 25%. And if a market takes a successful retest from here like this, if a market make a formation like this, then we can use our most of the amount and we can go aggressively, because after a retest, the chances of a trade going successful is really high. So we can go like aggressively when the market is taking a retest, right, after a successful retest. So that is how you do a top down analysis. First we have dealt with 1 day time frame, then 1 hour time frame, then 15-minute time frame, and lastly 5-minute time frame to execute. Whenever you do intraday, to execute a particular trade, you have to use the 5 minutes. So hence in 5 minute time frame, when market is breaking this price level, you can go for long, and market is breaking this price level, you can go for short. So that's how we have to deal with the time frame analysis, the top down analysis. I hope you understood the class. If not, please revise the class once or twice, because this is extremely important. Whatever you do, whatever the market is, time frame analysis and top down analysis is same for across the world, is same for every stock market, right? So thank you so much. We'll meet you in the next class.